thinking about me. Nelly, the Grammy-winning multi-platinum hip-hop star, has made hit songs like You Know Them, Country Grammar, Hot in Here, the duet Dilemma with Kelly Rowland, Destiny's Child, most recently, Just a Dream.
Which is riding the charts pretty nicely, I hear. But now the chart topper is the face of a new fitness DVD series called Celebrity Sweat. We sweat. Nobody asked us.
Yeah.
How's it going?
Everything's good.
Good to see you, darling.
So the biceps came from Celebrity Sweat, what we have going on here?
Yeah, that's what we trying to promote.
And when you lift up a bracelet with this many diamonds,
so heavy.
I mean, you do, a lot more calories and stuff.
You need that celebrity sweat in your life to make sure this doesn't fall. You know?
What makes this kind of workout unique?
I think what it is you try to help as much as possible, and with the kids today, I just want the kids to try to be more assertive nowadays. So it's kind of a behind-the-scenes look at your favorite celebrity, your favorite athlete, some of the workouts that we do, and hopefully, you can pick up tips from there.
So you're actually on the DVD sweating.
So you work out every day now?
Yes, I try to.
And how long do you spend in the gym usually?
I used to spend almost 2 hours in there because I would spend an hour playing basketball. That was my cardio.
Yeah.
But now it's about 30 to 45 minutes.
But you are on tour a lot, right? You travel a great deal. So.
That's kind of the hardest thing to do is to find good gyms. But I find out that it works well because we talked about tweeting. Sometimes when you tweet the cities that you're coming, a lot of the people come out and they say, "Yo, hit this gym up or hit this gym up."
Yeah, but then they come to the gym to see you.
They're stalking you, Nelly.
To work
yeah,
out.
it kind of backfires a little bit.
A few pictures, like, come on, you know it does.
Now you've got a great song out, but you're working on another CD, right?
Yeah, hopefully have a new album coming out at the end of this year. I'm going back in. The last album, 5.0 is phenomenal. Just a Dream, 4 million and things. So.
Well, you know what is cool? I remember he did this song with Tim McGraw, and I thought Nelly and Tim McGraw, like those two together, just seemed like it's a song called Over and Over. It was so great, and that kind of collaboration. Are you doing any with country stars, or are you trying to mix it up a little on your new CD?
Yeah, hopefully I have something real big planned. I don't want to give it away locally, but
he won't tell us anything.
We asked him who's dating. We got nothing. It's like a dry hole here.
You're like one of the housewives of New Jersey.
You guys know everything.
What do you? Hey, by the way, do you watch any of these reality shows, Nelly? Do you watch the Jersey Shore?
I hate to admit I do. Sometimes. I've watched some of the ones you might not love in hip hop. I've watched that. I've watched a little bit of the Basketball Wives. I watched the New Jersey Housewives.
You did?
I watched the Mob Wives. I hate to say
everybody's talking about Mob Wives.
Yeah, I saw that. Okay, you got it out of me.
Nelly, thank you. Good luck with your DVD.
Thanks so much. Up next.